Here we are up at Bloke Airfield at the hangar, getting the aircraft ready for its flight. This is a 1946 Luscombe 8A. It has a 65 horsepower engine. It's an American built aircraft. The engine is a flat 4, very similar to a Luscombe. As you can see, there are 2 cylinders on this side and 2 cylinders around on the other side. Quite a compact engine, but equally quite accessible. And considering it's 1946, it's wearing quite well. The wooden propeller, recently refurbished last year. This is a fuselage wooden prop. This aircraft has an all-metal body. It has metal spars in the wings, but the actual covering is a fabric. This was the one of the original 8As which had a fabric wing. The later ones had a metal wing, or metal covered wing. Fairly standard layout. This one has 2 radios. One is on the newer one. The small one there is the 8.33 frequency, which is the new frequencies that we're all supposed to be using, and the original panel mounted one there is a Bendix King, but won't pick up too many frequencies on that now, because most of the stations have changed frequency to the 8.33. With the oil pressure gauge there, and then the airspeed indicator, which is this particular one is in miles an hour. Then there's an artificial horizon, and then over on the right hand side there is the altimeter. And further again is the oil temperature gauge, and then down on the right hand side is the transponder, which emits a signal so that when you're flying near a larger airport, they can pick you up because you send out a coded signal. Some of the larger airports won't allow you to fly near them unless you've got a transponder. A vertical compass just there, and a standard compass just up there. Quite handy having 2 compasses, and the over on the right hand side there, that's the a Garmin GPS or sat nav as you might be used to hearing in a car. This is a 2-seat aircraft side by side.